Hey guys, well here passing time and just chilling. Made a replacement lure from the one I lost yesterday. Basically what I made it out of was the hook and piece of tin foil. So let me show you what I'm working with and what they look like here, right? Okay. Don't know if you can see them, but let me get the sunlight off. Here's a pre-made lure. The type of hook I'm using. And try not to hook myself here. Two ready-made ones here. So, how do I make it? Well, you first find a piece of tin you don't want to work with. Kind of work it back and forth like so. Give it a little tear. And you now have a big hunk. But I don't want it that big. So I'll just tease pieces of it off, give it a little tear here and there. Shorten it. There we go. And a crude little lure. Now how I get the holes into it is I'll take my handy dandy Swiss Army knife, which I'm finding always be the most useful of the knives I have. Take the awl, give it a little poke. You don't want to go push too far in, otherwise it'll rip. So, here's the hole. Take my hook, put it through the hole, find where I want the second hole to be, give it a little push. Try to get the hook back out without tearing the tin. Okay, you take a little awl, stick it through the second hole. Well, careful not to hook yourself as well. Trying to catch a fish, not you. And I like to give it a little pinch or so. There we go. There it is. There you go. And a crude little lure. And hopefully it'll work. It was working last night until it hooked on a little branch and yanked off. Fish were really going for it. So, there you have it. You know, nice little cheapy, crude way to make a nice little fishing lure. Especially when you can't use bait. Alright, more later. Hey guys, what I have here is a piece of cord I use to string the fish up here. Now I have the loop at one end. Now on the other end, to make it go through their gills a lot easier, is I sharpened a piece of stick at both ends, and then I shoved it into the parachute cord here. So all I do is just like thread them in, slide it on in like so. And what's even great about this is I have like a little branch nearby I need to tie this to, like a Marner spike. Just come around like this, cinch it in, and it ain't going anywhere. There you go. One more thing about the fishing I'm planning on doing tomorrow, hopefully. Alright, now, more later.